Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on System. Now click on Reset Options and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset, then click Erase All Data. Now you have to confirm your passkey and then click Erase All Data again. And now you have to wait for your device to go back to factory settings. And now, as you can see, my device is back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.